Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you basically this keyboard. The one that you see here is the same. So it's a nice keyboard, foldable keyboard. The quality is not amazing, but I think the concept is quite nice for digital nomad or remote worker if you have a laptop and you want to travel. So this is the initial way to transport the keyboard, and then you have this side around 1 centimeter. Okay, you have the magnetic there, then you can open it. You have the on off there, connect Bluetooth. Here you have the LED and a micro USB, I guess. And if you want to hear the noise, so if you type quickly, so this is the volume, and if you type slowly, the quality is quite okay actually. It's not amazing quality, but seems okay for now. I didn't test how long the battery lasts, but seems to be 3 or 4 hours. And anyway, you can still charge it there. And it's not too heavy. It's kind of a book, like a book. So it's not too heavy. It's actually lighter than book, I guess. So if you are interested, I will probably put links below the video where you can buy it. And I hope you enjoy to discover this foldable keyboard in this video. Thank you.